Hey guys, I'm doing an unboxing. Kelly got me this beard kit, the hipster beard care kit. It's a nice gift for the holidays, and I'm gonna open it and see what we got. So first thing we got is we have a mustache beard. A mustache beard? That's what I just said, mustache beard. No, it's a beard comb, but I could use it on my mustache, so I could just leave it right there. Yeah, it looks great. And then we've also got scissors for your mustache that you can just trim up like that. That's really cute. And then we've got some beard oil. Let's smell it. I want to see what it smells like. Oh my God, that is so good. So basically, all you've got to do is you just got to. And so that's all you've got to do. And then it looks nice and luxurious and it smells great. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get this for the holidays. Take care, guys. Bye.